Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix WhatsApp no valid QR code detected problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your WhatsApp QR code, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, this method I am showing in mobile. You have to do this method in your PC. On your PC, you need to open your Chrome browser. Just tap on this three dot, just tap on the history, just tap on the clear browsing data, just tap on clear data, just tap on clear. After that, then go back. You can see here advanced, just tap on the advanced, just tap on the browsing history. You have to make sure you have selected this option, browsing history, cookies and site, and tap on clear data and tap on clear. Then go back. Now come to your mobile, open your WhatsApp. In this you have to make sure that you have to tap on this three dot and you have to select linked device. You don't need to tap on the settings. Some people tap on the settings and they will scan the QR code from here. You have to not do like this. Just you have to tap on this three dot and tap on the link device and tap on linked device. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp QR code problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.